Experiencing charging issues with your 2018 Tesla Model 3? This could stem from several factors, including a faulty charge port, problems with your home charger or supercharger, or even software glitches. Common causes include a faulty charge port, especially in early models prone to corrosion, issues with home charging setups, problems at superchargers, and occasional software glitches. The charge port is a common issue in 2018 Model 3s, often due to corrosion or electrical faults. Supercharger problems might involve network issues or port compatibility, as shown in the differences between EU and US plugs. Home charging setups can fail due to wall connector issues or outlet problems. Tesla has addressed many of these issues through recalls and software updates, particularly concerning charge port corrosion. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to identify and resolve the problem. Before troubleshooting charging issues, it's essential to understand the two main charging systems in your Tesla Model 3. The first system is AC charging at home. This is level 2 charging, providing up to 11.5 kilowatts. The vehicle's onboard charger converts alternating current from your home outlet into direct current for the battery. The second system is DC fast charging at Tesla Superchargers. This provides much higher power, up to 250 kilowatts. Here, direct current is injected straight into the battery, bypassing the onboard charger for rapid charging. At the heart of both systems is the charge port, the critical interface between your Tesla and the charging cable. The port connects directly to the vehicle's battery management system, or BMS, which monitors and controls battery charging. It features a motorized door and electrical contacts that handle both AC and DC connections. The battery management system, or BMS, is crucial as it ensures safe and efficient charging by regulating voltage, current, and temperature. Begin with these fundamental troubleshooting steps for your 2018 Tesla Model 3 charging issues. First, check the cable connection. Make sure the charging cable is firmly plugged into both the vehicle's charge port and the power source, whether at home or a supercharger. Loose connections are one of the most common reasons charging fails, especially with older cables or in windy conditions. Next, confirm the charge port door operates correctly. The port door should open smoothly when you approach with a cable and close securely after. Also ensure the vehicle is unlocked, as a locked car won't allow charging. Faulty door mechanisms were a known issue in early 2018 models, often fixed by Tesla's recalls. Third, use the Tesla touchscreen to check charging settings. Navigate to the charging menu to verify settings like charge limit and schedule, and look for any error codes or alerts. The touchscreen provides real-time diagnostics that can pinpoint software-related issues. Finally, if problems continue, try resetting the connection. Simply unplug the cable from both ends, wait a few seconds, then plug it back in. This resets the communication between the vehicle and the charger, often resolving temporary glitches without needing service. To diagnose charging issues on your 2018 Tesla Model 3, start by checking for error codes using the Tesla app or your vehicle's touchscreen. These codes provide specific insights into what might be wrong. Open the Tesla app on your phone to view the charging status and any error messages. The app displays real-time information about your vehicle's charge level and any issues. Look for specific error codes such as charge port unlocked or charging interrupted. These can indicate problems like a faulty connection or interrupted power supply. Alternatively, check your vehicle's touchscreen for error codes under the Charging or Controls menu. The display will show alerts and diagnostic information. For a comprehensive understanding, refer to your Tesla owner's manual, which lists all possible error codes and their explanations. The Tesla app now includes real-time charging health checks, making it easier to diagnose issues before they become major problems. Monitor notifications for any interruptions or alerts. Using these diagnostic tools will help you identify the root cause of charging issues quickly. If you're having trouble charging your 2018 Tesla Model 3 at home, the issue is likely with your Tesla wall connector or the electrical outlet. Let's troubleshoot step by step. First, test the wall connector with another compatible device if possible. This helps determine if the problem is with the connector or your Model 3. Next, check the circuit breaker to ensure it hasn't tripped. A trip breaker can prevent charging. Open the electrical panel and reset if needed. Finally, consider updating the wall connector's firmware. Outdated software can cause charging problems. Use the Tesla app to check for updates. Supercharger issues can stem from network outages or problems with the charging port itself. While Tesla typically resolves network issues quickly with OTA patches, port problems can be more complex. Debris or damage to the supercharger port can prevent proper charging. Try a different supercharger if available to rule out a local issue. The charge port on your 2018 Tesla Model 3 can be particularly susceptible to water ingress and debris buildup. This vulnerability stems from early production design choices that made the port more prone to environmental factors like moisture and dirt. To clean the port safely, use a soft, dry brush to gently remove any visible debris or obstructions. Never use liquids or cleaners, as they can cause electrical short circuits or damage the internal components. During inspection, carefully examine the port for any signs of corrosion, physical damage, or wear on the electrical contacts. Look for discoloration, pitting, or loose components that might indicate water damage or overuse. Tesla has issued a recall program covering 2018 through 2022 Model 3 vehicles for charge ports susceptible to water damage. If you haven't checked already, verify if your vehicle qualifies for a free replacement under this program through the Tesla app or service center. If you've tried these troubleshooting steps and your Model 3 still isn't charging, it's time to schedule a service appointment with Tesla. Persistent issues often require hardware replacement. Looking ahead, Tesla is moving towards software-driven fixes and exploring wireless charging options. Regular maintenance and staying up to date with software updates are crucial for maintaining optimal charging performance.